kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is sight words. So let us start our class. She, S-H-E, she. In, I-N, in. My, M-Y, my. On, O-N, on. Have, H-A-V-E, have. You, Y-O-U, you. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Up, U-P, up. That, T-H-A-T, that. This, T-H-I-S, this. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Big, B-I-G, big. Was, W-A-S, was. See, S-E-E, see. Do, D-O, do. Run, R-U-N, run. Look, L-O-O-K, look. Has, H-A-S, has. S-Y-E-S, S. B, B-E, B. Is, I-S, is. Not, N-O-T, not. Here, H-E-R-E, here. Go, G-O, go. To, T-O, to. Me, M-E, me. And went, W-E-N-T, went. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.